Hey, you guys. Ooh, okay. Hi. Let me show you my hair right quick. I know I haven't been on in a minute. I don't feel like taking it down. You'll have to see it in another video. Alexa, lower, stop. Let's just tell Alexa to stop because I'm not trying to get copyright for nothing. All right, so I'm about to be doing my nails, you guys, and here, actually, let me bring my camera. Ooh. Okay, okay, there we go. I'm trying to, oh, there's a whole pin in my leg, y'all. Bear with me. I'm having like the most difficult time of life right now. Bam. Okay, hopefully that works out better. No, it doesn't. Hold up. Okay. I don't know. Whatever. I'm having the most difficult time in life, y'all. But I'm gonna be doing my nails. But first, I wanted to tell you guys, you know, Dollar Tree. Y'all already know. So look, these are some nail polish that I had got before from Dollar Tree. You know, this one is like baby shade, BB shade. I don't know. Focus. I don't know. This one is called Verness something. This I got from Five Below, but I'm still using it. I've had it forever. And of course, it's got that jasmine scent. Yeah. It's cuticle oils. This is just a top coat. This I got from Five Below too. It's mood changing, color changing paint. Most of my nail stuff I get from Dollar Tree or Five Below. And you know, I got the little nail glues, got my activators, got my little dish I got from Dollar Tree. This is some old stuff I have in here that I haven't used. This is some glue remover. Yeah, that's a whole bunch of stuff that I haven't used. That I haven't used all of it yet, so yeah. Now, what I just got today, got me some more nail glue because I just felt like I needed more. I am going to start out with the final look of my nails, but I need it red, so that's why I got this. Got some more remover because I needed some. My nails are going to be all kinds of colors. I'm not telling you what color I'm using, but I'm going to be using some of the colors I got today. But here's some, like a yellow color. It's not as bright as I wanted, but you know, here go another red. This one is interesting. I'm not sure what the real color is of this one. I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know if y'all can see. It's like two-tone something. I wanted a nude color, so that's what that's supposed to be, I guess. I don't know. Then I have this one, like an orangey color. This is another top coat. That is my top coat, right? Yeah. It's another top coat, but it's gel. So I wanted to try that. And then I got black, because I really think I have no black. And then this is supposed to be white. And it's really pretty when you see it out. And then I got a 3-pack. This is Eye Glow nail polish. It's a 3-pack set. Be nice if I can open it, right? There we go. And they're little mini ones, but it's just the colors. Just because I don't have these colors. It's another red, green, blue, and this one is actually really pretty looking, dark blue. So I got all of that today. Just throwing that away. But yeah, I got all of that stuff today. I'm gonna be, like I said, doing my nails and stuff. No telling what colors I'm gonna be using. right now I'm about to just put everything in here real quick before I knock something over. And as you guys know, I do giveaways and stuff, but I haven't been on. And when I am on, you know, wait, before I go any further, if you haven't done so, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to both my channels. The links and stuff will be in the bio, in the description down below. Also, please make sure that you comment. Let me know what you think about my videos. I share people in my description, so if you're looking for a shout out or something, or want me to grab your playlist and, you know, post it so people can go and check you out as well, just hit me up, let me know. My socials will be down below for you to be able to give me hit me up on IG or Snap or Facebook or whatever, or shoot me a text. My work number is going to be below as well, for the most part. And yeah, I think that's basically my little covering of all that. Now, there's another thing I was going to show you guys. I haven't used it yet, but I plan on using it. Let me just get these nice and snug in here. No, I need to get another container yet again. I know. I'm already like full. Like, I don't need to get no more polish or nothing right now. I just need to get a new container. Go figure out life. Yeah, I gotta figure out life. Oh, I know, I gotta figure out life. I'm just trying to close it for now. And it's like not wanting to. Okay, look, we're just gonna. It's like every time I try to close it, it's like, and it's the reason I have tape too, y'all. I definitely have some tape too. There we go. It's getting kind of snug there. Okay. And then I just tape it. Bam. Okay, put that right there. Oh yeah, I got this today. It's the medicine container, as you know, but it has like 14 or 15 different slots. Oops, put that back in there. And you know, it has like all these little openings. I could paint this and decorate it. I'm trying to open it to show you guys. So it has all those little cubbies on both sides. What I'm going to use this for, and I could paint it and decorate it, or just put tape or something over this with the different numbers on here, because this goes in my other box. I have so many, you know, you ever get tired of trying to find the size of like the nails? So yeah, I have like the shorter nails. I have the short nails that are, these are the square, these are the full cover squares. These are the full cover squares. And a lot of times I put these on too, just if I want to rock something really quick, or for my mom. You can get those at Dollar Tree too. They have a lot of nice designs. I don't know if you can see. They have nice designs and stuff, and yeah. So here's my tips. So yeah, that's what I was getting ready to say. I always get tired of trying to find my freaking sizes and stuff with these tips. So I was about to just, you know, put all of like size 0 here, 1s here, you know, so on and so forth. Put them all together. I get tired of looking for it. And this is my nail polish remover. That's why I got some more of this. There's a little left in here, but I just pour this in there and call it a day. I have a sponge thing in there. And then this is the clear acrylic. This is my pink, natural pink, and then I got my buffers and towels and all that good stuff in this container. And then I have the kit that I'm actually going to be needing right now. So I actually want to leave that out. I don't don't think I'm gonna be doing acrylic today. I think I'm just gonna do press for the nails that I'm gonna be doing for myself. Might just do press, I don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys some more stuff. Here's some of the designs. This was the Bring the Salon Home by Kiss Salon Secrets Nails Kit. It came with all those kind of like little, can you guys see? Little designs and whatnot. I didn't want to make a long video, so yeah. And here's just my nail stuff, my little buffers and stuff, and then I have my little cutters and manicure set or whatever. Okay, I'm trying to get to, here we go. Just my extra brushes. There's like so much stuff here. Okay. Not sure why. Oh, these are some extra nails I had that my sister was using. Like, it went to my sister's set. I'm gonna actually throw those away. Alright, so put that right there. But yeah, so this is my Fowler, which I normally would use. I don't think I'm gonna be using that today, but I would normally use that. I got an extra one of these, extra foul, nail file. I couldn't even talk. Oh goodness, that's what that is. Then I have my brushes and stuff for me to do my might need that one for me to do my acrylic and stuff. And I have my daughter. I don't know if you can see that. That's like how I do my designs and stuff on my nails. And I do other people's nails and stuff. I haven't done my own nails in so long. Like, and then I have a little brush. And most of this stuff came with that kit. And here goes, I don't even know if you guys can see. There we go. Excuse the ashiness. It has, you have stars, you got little diamonds, you got little pearls. Yeah, I know these are the things you put on to like build on. I don't even use those. I kind of just freehand build, which works so much better for my life. Like, I don't use those. But, sorry, you know I got OCD issues, and I'm trying to put that back in there nice and neat as possible. Let's see. What's this? Okay, so yeah, here go some more designs that had came with that. I don't know if you guys can see the leaves and stuff. I don't even know if you'll be able to see this, but I don't even know what that is. But I haven't used this kit yet, so it'd be cool to use it one day. That's like seashells and stuff. And then you have like, you know, all different designs. And then this is just more, you know, those. Like I said, I don't even use those. Let's see what we have here. This is the glitter. I'm not too fond of glitter for myself, but there's definitely glitter. And it comes with instructions. So if you ever want to get that kit, it does come with instructions. Here goes some more stencils. And I've already been using them. I used it on my last client. But those are some stencils. And then like I said, the little pearls and stuff. all of that came with this kit right here. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna assume it's like focusing. Again, it's called the Kiss Bring Your Salon Kiss Salon Secrets Nail Starter Kit. So yeah, it comes with this and it shows you like different designs and like instructions on how to do each one. Yeah. So that is all of that. And a lot of these little things, like it says, follow your dreams. I have this little pouch. I have it for like my eye stuff, and I have it for my stuff. I just use it all the time. But I just wanted to update you guys really quick on that stuff. And yeah, like I said, I'm probably not doing the acrylic on myself. I probably am just doing regular, just regular nails, who knows. But I'm about to get to it, and excuse me, I got hiccups, and that's basically it. So I just wanted to update you guys. Yeah, they got all these little nice lights, like, oops, see how bright that is? Like, I just use this light for all my stuff as well. So I'm about to do that. I hope you guys liked it. Just wanted to do a quick video. So I'll be back. Peace. Remember, like, subscribe, comment down below. Oh my god, I hate when I get this crap in my eye. And comment down below. Peace. I don't know if you can see it, but look how pretty that red is. And I know that nail's crooked, but it's okay. But look how pretty that is.